I'm not gonna lie, over the years, some of the Tiffins, like 20-year ago Tiffins, they had butter faces.
My wife said somebody hit the button and you changing clothes or something. You know, that was from a woman's perspective.
Yeah.
This is a 23 model. This is a brand new.
I think people want to know what the price is.
All right, so wholesale is around.
Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. We have a really nice motorhome behind us. We're here with Mayan Shah from RV Max. His dad just rolled up on us. But we're here down in Greenville, South Carolina. Beautiful motorhome behind us. As you know, RVmax.us has some of the nicest used motorhomes in the country. So we bought our motorhome from. He's the expert on it. He's gonna take you on a full interior, exterior tour. You're going to really like this motorhome.
Expert's quite flattering. These are terrific coaches, and I was telling someone this morning, a customer who called in, that I have drank the Tiffin Kool-Aid, and it is a specific Kool-Aid that when you camp in them, you kind of understand the vibe. This particular model is a like-new 2023 garage kept coach that was enjoyed by my parents on the way down from Chicago. So I have a special love for this coach because it helped some of my close family members have some fun. That's the purpose. And even got some bugs on the front, which I know is driving Izzy crazy right now.
That needs some release right there.
Ooh, we may need a steel sub from you. So yeah, these seals are tight here. You know, when you come around the front windows on these Tiffins, and then they do a lot of accent lights, as well as give you a whole suite of safety features via the mobile eye system. So that's gonna like watch for bridge heights, it's gonna track your lanes, and it also has blind spot detection systems, in addition to a 360 camera. So when you're going down the road with the two, I think they're 9 or 10-inch diameter screens, you can view the 360 camera as well as your side camera, which I think is a huge plus.
What I find interesting on here, they put the 360 camera down here. Normally you'll find them up high, but they stick it right there. That's interesting.
Yeah, the 360 is really nice. Like, it's kind of addicting. We also have a whole suite of exterior patio features. We've got accent lights built in. We've got underglow. The sides, while we're passing through the slides here, you know, there's some changes in 2023, and you know, they changed the slides a little bit, but they did give you hydraulic rear slides, which to me are comically fast compared to the old. We'll get to that later. We've got chrome handles, and the XSP model is going to give you a bit of extra storage here to fit nice items like this to help you have a little extra space on the go. We've also got a super slick electric flip out TV cover, which is new for 23, and it gives you this just mysterious box shape here. Now there's a ton of storage, it's passed through. It does have blue underglow lights, and then there's also LEDs under the slide outs. There's an automatic transfer switch with a surge guard built in. And then I'm always a fan of any additional side marker lights. More visibility, the better. And some of you may have noticed these newer Tiffins have actually moved the docking lights from down below to these LEDs up in the side, which can also be used as porch lights. So the switch for docking lights actually toggles the porch lights sometimes. And I think it's kind of cool because it gives you a better side perspective because those little LEDs, they're kind of funky. They're like little individuals, but they really do a good job. I feel like they act like almost 4 little, like it just lights it up nicely at night.
Those are one of the upgrades we want to do on our motorhome. We have those yellow halogens. I want to light it up like a stadium. We put them on, light it up.
Yes. That's my dad's way too. He's like, come and turn all the lights on in the house. My mom's like, no, the power. Now around back, we've got what to me is like a Dodge rear end with this big, just, you know, classic boxy styling with these little menacing vents. I actually think the styling on the Allegro Bus is one of the best. I'm not gonna lie, over the years, some of the Tiffins, like 20-year ago Tiffins, they had butter faces. They weren't as pretty as what we've got here. This thing looks really beautiful. I've got the Lippert side attached ladder. Tiffin also uses their own type of flush windows. You know, they've got like the painted frames around them. They're kind of interesting, and I've always liked them. They look more RV, and they allow for the old style sliding window. So this window will actually pop in and then slide like an old school window. So if you leave your keys, in fact, when I was camping in the Allegro Bus recently, I left this one just slightly unlocked because I didn't completely trust the touchpad.
Now somebody's gonna ask you, why is there a door missing?
So we had some touch-up paint that needed to happen, and that door, out of all the doors, was used as the example door. So no big deal, it will be put on later on today. But yeah, there's a little touch-up paint in the back, so we wanted to make sure we matched that paint perfectly.
Now, when you decide to buy this beautiful Tiffin, you're going to want to take it probably to a nice resort like we're at right now. Here's the thing, a lot of resorts do require something under your jack pads because they have concrete sites, they have paver sites, they don't want you to destroy them. One of the things we've been using for years is to sponsor this video is RV snap pads.
Some great perks about RV snap pads. You're going to have permanent jack pads installed at all times. You don't have to be putting on and off. It's going to give you increased stability for each of your landing feet. It's going to give you extra protection for bending and damage for those jack feet. A lot of resorts and higher end motor coach or any places are starting to require something on those jack feet, as Izzy said, so you're going to need to have those on. It can help reduce slipping or sinking on soft surfaces if you happen to stay on grass or soft dirt, and it can help with indirect lightning strikes.
They're made in USA out of 100% recycled material. It's one of the items that we've been using since we got our first motorhome years ago. Now, some motorhomes like Nelly, on some of the jacks, like the rear jacks, you just can't use the snap pads just because of the...
Really?
Sorry, Stella. Just because the way that it is set up, you can't use them. Never fear, they do have the RV stack pads. We use these quite often, as you can see. This one has been used, we're using them right now. They have all different sizes, different types of motorhomes, trailers, pop-ups, something to fit you. If you go to rvsnappad.com, use the discount code
Endless10.
You'll get 10% off of your purchase. We love their products. They make wonderful products. People have been using them for years. We've been using them for years. If you want more information or a discount code, we'll put the link down below. El Presidente had to take over from Mayan, so who better to give a tour of this interior? You camped in it, you bought it, you own it, you know this coach. So he's gonna give you an interior tour.
I wanted my wife to come, but she couldn't join us, so hey, we'll do who is here. It's been a Monday, and thank you for working with us here.
Oh, this is crazy here. This is like a three-ring circus going on. It's all there's people doing detailing, customers coming in, body work. It's crazy here.
It's a Monday, and some Mondays are like this sometime. And some days we just go have fun.
Yeah. All right, what do we got here?
This is a 23 model. This is a brand new, let's see, what's it, 8,000 miles on it? It was 7,035 miles when Liz and I picked it up in Chicago. The guy kept it in the garage. He owned a big paving company. It's got 8,048 miles.
Wow.
So got really low miles, brand new. He bought it in Florida, drove it up to Chicago. This is a beautiful coach, and
so it's a one-owner coach.
One owner, yes. He had a health reason, so that's the only reason he got rid of it. This is just beautiful coloring. I love the colors. It's very bright. So you got black and red, what mine, and you did the video outside. But I love the material here. It's just gorgeous. Heated tile, it's loaded with everything. 3 roof air conditioning that Tiffin puts in, all these accent lights. It's got a little island here. We have a dishwasher, and I tell you what, it's my wife and I used it. We stayed in a Kentucky horse farm for a few days and brought it up here. It'll be cleaned, but this stove is a Wolf. We're talking to Easy. Some of the coaches, they put 120 volt. This is 240 with a turbo boost. And I'll tell you what, you can cook some food fast. I told my wife I want this at home.
We love our induction cooktop on the motorhome.
This is just
works
beautiful.
Great.
Yep. We got dual stainless steel sinks. I like when there are 2 of them, so you can cover one side up if you want more counter space. Beautiful backsplash all over it. I love the big window on the back. Some of the coaches don't have those windows back there, right? Or some
I
some
mean,
small.
So in 23, this was a big thing. More coaches are still, because they all copy each other.
Yeah.
But this is like what a lot of people want now, or the bigger windows, that kitchen window. That's what a lot of newer motorhomes are going to.
That's true. And then you got little pop thing, pops out 2 regular AC with a 2 USB, and then you have they have like little drawers. By the way, what you see, what you get, this stuff goes with it. It came with it, and it's got a convection microwave oven. We got some trays. Sometimes I do this video and say, man, you open up all the compartment. Hey, why not? And then some people say they want to see you. Yep, lots of room here, and you got a nice little cutting board that came from factory, and then you have a thing kind of slides back and forth. Oh man.
They get the pots too?
I don't know. You gotta have to talk me out of it.
Only full asking price. You throw in the pots.
Yeah. You can have pot. Those are induction stove tops. We have pantry here.
So I noticed you just did something. You had to push it in.
You have to push it in for travel locks.
Yeah,
so
that's a good.
Hey, I had you like easy. You like them Italian food.
Oh,
we
yeah,
had a
that's all
pasta.
slide right out.
I had
It's
some
not locked.
pasta sauce. So they're heavy. So once you push it in, it locks in. So it won't come out. You got to push it in to bring it out. That's pretty neat. You got a U-shaped booth dinette. Now this does not turn into bed, but this turns into bed. Is an air mattress under there. It'll come out, and you got a pop-up TV in the back. It'll pop out, and this little screens are almost everywhere that you can control. From here, I can control all the shades and lights. In a bedroom, you'll see it. Here's the one in the kitchen. You can control your fan and lights from here. And they're wired. They're not wireless. Some motorhome manufacturers, they put wireless with a button batteries in here. Got LG refrigerator. I think you still got some new filters in here. They didn't use it much. I mean, 7,000 miles. We picked it up. Got an ice tray. I did say that it's heated tile, right? You got the kick toe vacuum cleaner also, because I used it, and you hook it up here, and the hose stretches all the way to front and the back. And it's under the booth dinette, has some drawers. You got a half bath, plenty of room in here. And you see the fantastic fan. They made this wooden structure to make it, what do you call it, a little trim, right? Nice little trim.
Nice finishing trim.
I got some storage below that, and here's your big iPad that controls everything. You got your home, you see what's going on, generator, diesel, how much is diesel tank, power, each leg, 123 volt, 110 volt, 60 hertz. Your air condition, as I say, the three of them, front, rear, and medium. And then you got floor heat, and you can also operate all the slides from here. You got two switches for the front slide in the front, but from here you can do back and the front. All the shades, you can do master shades, day shade, a master night shade. You can do it right from here. Really neat. And we got a solid door for privacy back here. And the bed, it's got original fitting that came. We have it in the back big closet with the big pillows that came from factory. They didn't use it, and we put our own. So the factory stuff, we have it. It'll go with it. And this is what I was talking about. Both sides, you have that little iPad stuff. Hey, Easy, you got a little iPad for your solar. This one's got solar, by the way.
We have the screen, yeah. I don't know how much solar is on here. You know?
Six solar panels big.
Oh,
so what is that?
Probably 600 watts or so.
And then it doesn't have a. It's got the AG. What do you call those?
AGMs.
Lifeline.
Yeah.
They call 7 years batteries. So
yeah.
It may have a.
But you got a big generator on here.
Yeah, got a big 10,000 watt generator. So we got a couple of little closet on both sides. See, this is where I'm talking about all the factory stuff's are here. They didn't use it, so they're brand new. We got a fireplace. People like fireplace. You got another televator, and they put manual shades here, which is kind of nice behind the TV. My wife said somebody hit the button and you changing clothes or something. You know, that was from a woman's perspective.
Yeah.
It's good to have a manual.
Yeah.
Because you got a master, somebody's messing around with it. That's kind of neat. We got a both side. This side you got a lot more stuff. Blu-ray player. And what I like about this, Easy, you have a Freightliner. I'm not gonna knock down Freightliner. Freightliner's my buddies. But Powerglide, you know what they did, right?
Well, you know, Powerglide is made by Freightliner now.
It is,
back
right?
in the day, it wasn't.
But you know what I like about it? Look,
So a
right
flat
here.
wall. Oh,
Same.
flat
I think
floor.
we got some lights off here.
Now, if you go to the 605, then they have the step, even on the Powerglide.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah,
because
the
of bigger
605,
engine?
yeah.
So this is nice. This is really nice that, you know, you just come straight, you get up from a master bed, you walk right into the master bath. And of course you have a privacy door here, and you got a washer dryer, double vanity, and a big closet. And this is what I'm talking about. That's your comforter and all that stuff from original. You got a little safe, and over here you got some GFIs, and I know that there's a couple of them are for your floor heat, and you got to override for air conditioning. If your software didn't work, you can override it. And I like the size of shower. Is it about like your Dutch Star?
They're a little smaller, but this is a smaller motorhome also.
Nice little teak wood seat here, and they got all solid surface, you know. Tiffin does. They have that little, like a sunroof, I guess if you call that, with LED lights. Anything else you like to add, what you know?
No, I think people want to know what the price is.
All right. So wholesale is around 340 grand. We're asking like 359,950. Now, hey, I think we're aggressively priced, but call us. We do take trades, get you financing done. We do sell service contract if you want extended warranty contract, but other than that, I think it's a great price with only 8,000 miles.
Yeah, it's pretty
garage
much new.
capped. It's extremely well taken care of, Coach.
2023 Allegro Bus 40 IP.
India Papa.
That's right, India Papa. Now, if somebody wants to contact you, what's the best way?
Call me, Mayan, 864-404-0054, or Mayan, 864-376-5600, and text us, because, you know, because our phones are busy today. You witnessed Monday was crazy. If you don't know how to text, call us and leave us a voicemail.
These guys are great. We bought our motorhome from them.
Thank you.
There's actually a customer here. They treat everybody like family. If you don't believe it, you know, because we got comments, well, they only treat you like that because you're on YouTube. It's not true. You took this couple out to dinner.
We go out to eat. Hey, we enjoy that.
Yeah.
Taking people out to eat. And you guys are foodie. Every time they come in town, they find a new restaurant that we don't know. Now, we enjoy what we do. I mean, yes, let me tell you something about motorhomes. He came and he had to put a motor on his step. So things do happen to motorhomes. I want people to be aware of it. Is it fun all the time? No. It's a lot of fun, but something breaks, you gotta fix it.
You gotta fix it. So in the comments below, let us know what you think about this. I want your feedback. Sachin wants your feedback. If you like videos like this, to the left of us, we'll put our RV tours playlist. We'll also put our RV buying tips playlist. And I want to thank Sachin for taking the time to be on this video, as well as Mayan, and we'll see you on the road.
Thank you.